This video is titled How to Trigger Health Reminders in Intergy EHR. In this video, we will provide a list of functionalities that serve as triggers for the health reminders. We will also discuss a few examples of areas to properly document, and we will also review the HCN Quality Measures Form. Various Intergy functionalities trigger health reminders. As soon as a patient is registered, the age and gender will begin to build the reminders that are applicable to that patient. Other clinical data will also trigger health reminders, such as updating problem lists, entering vital signs, patient allergies and medications, in addition to lab results, properly documenting an encounter note, and using ICD-10 codes. Now let's review how we can trigger health reminders that also require clinical information, not just age and gender. For example, updating the patient's problem list. You can update the patient's problem list from within the Orders and Charges tab. You can also add to a patient's problem list from within the encounter note. To do so, right-click over the assessment and choose Copy to Problem. Lastly, you can update the patient's problem list from within the patient's chart. Go to the Problems Chart button and click on the plus sign to add. Please be reminded that the new guideline set is no longer set up to recognize ICD-9 codes. It is important to update the patient's problems to ICD-10. Once you do so, the health reminders will work as designed. Another trigger for health reminders is when prescribing a medication or adding a reported medication. A medication can be prescribed from the POM and the RX tab located in Orders and Charges. You can also add a new medication or reported medication via the Meds button in the patient's chart. Lastly, reported meds and a new RX can also be added via the Patient Summary window. Be reminded it's important to also enter over-the-counter medications. Patient vitals can also serve as a trigger for health reminders. Vitals can be recorded from within the Vitals button in the patient's chart. More commonly, vitals are entered via the Vitals module in the encounter note itself. Ensure to enter all applicable vitals. In conclusion, properly documenting the encounter note will also trigger certain health reminders. The HCN Quality Measure Form has medicine findings highlighted in yellow, which serves as additional options necessary in order to trigger health reminders. Thank you for viewing, and look out for additional health reminders videos.